Yes.
an opinion, and he's supposed to follow that opinion forever.
Mm-hmm.
Talk with one another and decide, or come to agreements that the opinion should change. What happens if he violates that opinion and does another opinion? What's the punishment for that?
Okay, so first of all, let's put qualification on what is the opinion called. It's no longer called the opinion. So opinion, for example, we learn in the book, and this author, this rabbi who compiled this book, he said there is such opinion, this is such opinion. Usually, as you see, he's very careful person. He gives us the bottom line. So he says some say, some do, but the bottom line is not like that. It's not like some do, right? There is a different opinion. When you ask somebody, when you ask rabbi for a question, so he give you psak. Psak, it's meaning the halachic. So for you, it becomes a law what to do. You understand? So a person must do whatever rabbi says, or don't ask, or not. You must ask, or ask. Find yourself a person, a rabbi that you trust, that he's has only your good in mind, right? And ask him, and then follow whatever he said. But if you think that he's not correct, so you can go to the second rabbi and present him as a case and say, and just so you know, I went to Rabbi such and such, and I presented this case, and he told me this and that. So he's stuck. So what do you think? So after the second rabbi here that somebody ruled like in this way, so it's not so simple. Usually, like he would not go against somebody else. So what is the purpose? You understand? And plus, we have to take everything into consideration. So sometimes two rabbis give you two opposite opinions. Why? One was a generic answer. So like you go to Rav Chaim Kanievsky, that's all. Right? So you ask him a question. He does not know you. He sees you for exactly 33 seconds. Right? So you ask him what to do. So he gives you a general answer. Of course, with siyata dishmaya. Maybe it's not a good example because he did have siyata dishmaya. So whatever he said is going to go. Right? But let's say somebody more simpler. So he's going to ask you. He's going to give you answer like generic answer. But somebody, another rabbi who knows you very well, he knows the whole situation, so he might give you different answer. Why? Because this different answer suit better for you, for your situation. You understand? So just because somebody have a different opinion, so does not mean that the first opinion is wrong or second opinion is better. You understand? So that's the thing. But whatever first says, based on information that you provided, and we must provide all of the relevant information. Maybe like when you leave a voice note, so try to listen this voice note yourself and see, is it clear? So like take yourself out of equation. Let's say that somebody asks you, present you with the facts. All of the facts there. Maybe you miss some words. Maybe you have to rewrite it, right? So don't say this recording, or for example, you typed it. So look exactly what you typed. Is it clear? So many people, they do not proof text, proofread whatever they do. It's unbelievable. It's like first half of the sentence had nothing to do with last half of the sentence, like crazy. Like you normally, it's first of all disrespect to the rabbi, and if he gives you an answer based on whatever you said, so you actually, it's on your head. You deserve that answer, right? Of course, he would be careful and ask the questions, but if it's not clear or like you miss some information, so it's your problem. It's not his problem. He's not going to be held accountable if he gives you a wrong answer. But once he gives you the psak, it's not opinion, it's psak. So that's why I said, somebody asked my opinion. How about the people who would do exactly what I say? I better spend time on them. Why do I care my opinion? So go on Google, check their opinion. I mean, if you type any question on Google, I think you can get any answer. Like you can get any answer you want even. Right? Is it good for you? I don't know. I don't think so. But that's the thing. So we follow one rabbi who has the question. Again, if you need to go and ask second opinion, you can ask the second opinion. but few. I said this many times. Few people who I asked me, like they were begging me for an answer. I gave them an answer. They did not like it, of course. No, not of course. They say if I can ask somebody else, okay, I have no problem. So I asked Rabbi Reuven, so he put everything aside, look at the cases, 3 cases, and people listened to him, and Rabbi Reuven Shlita, gave even stricter answer, most fun answer that I did. So, right, and these people, 3 of them, did not listen, went down. Some of them completely, some of them like stay the same, suffering every day. Why? Because of their stupidity, because they insist on they did not ask a question. So they did not look for an answer. They were looking for somebody to agree with them. And that's a gava, that's a big problem. Right? That's arrogance. So when person looking for an answer. So if somebody asks you, I give you the answer. So that's the answer. Do I like it? No. Do I have to like it? No. Do I have to agree with it? No. Right? If it's a kosher rabbi, a God-fearing person, so he gave you answer that you must do. That's good for you. That's it. Okay. So and one more thing that came out to my mind, because I had the situations before. It's like let's say the person asked 3 rabbis, right, and he got 3 different answers. So in order to qualify the answer, he has to be above them. To say that these 2 opinions are wrong and maybe 3 of them are wrong. So he must know at least minimum as what they know, and like I possess the analytics and siyata dishma that they do, and to decide what answer is good. But otherwise, if you're not like that, so what are you doing? So that's I guess long answer to the short question.